Okay, this is looking all right. You mentioned in the comment that, yeah, this is a bit thin here. So at this point, you're going to want to adjust it by selecting the vertices, right mouse click, choose vertices, W for move, and then adjust it that way, because if you scale it, it's going to mess up the shape. Like I'll show you on the head what I mean. If I just scale it, see that shape of the roundedness there, and see how that gets all kind of distorted. So it's better to move the verts. At this point, make sure um, these are a bit oval. So just make sure that this scale, which is in this case the Y, and this scale, which is the Z, are the same. So I may make it both 0.35 or something, and then that's going to be round, and you'll want to do that with the other ones as well, and it makes it that these are lined up in such a way that they don't you know intersect there and you know go outside of it. This could be yeah. So when you kind of didn't do a good job selecting when you did the bevel, you can get rid of the bevel at this point if I do Control A for the attribute editor, or just click right here and then select the bevel tab and then hit the select button and then hit the delete key on the keyboard. That will get rid of the bevel. And then, oh, I did not mean to do that. And then to right mouse click, select the appropriate edges, and then Control B, and then adjust the fraction. So you don't want to do all of them. And then, yeah, and so you want to, what I do is do all the ones on one side and then copy them over to the other. So then you don't have to redo any of the work. You just group it and copy it over. I think that's shown in the module. You'll also want to bevel this, so something's gone awry here. Hmm. Take that out, select delete. Oh, sometimes it doesn't like when you do that. Let's see if it comes back. Well, I don't think it's coming back right now, but yeah, just check all this stuff. Oh, it is coming back. Okay. Yeah, so sometimes it doesn't like when you delete those things, but I'll keep trying. Select, delete. It's freezing every time I do that. I might just rebuild this. There's some real problem here with this gap in there. This one's not beveled. So yeah, some proportion things to fix. You can kind of get this more organized, name the stuff that isn't named, like these. Um, yeah, I might just rebuild this because this has got some funny stuff going on. Just do it again. Just follow the instructions. Yeah, fix the proportions. Like that can be spread out a bit too. Obviously the head. These feet, you're going to want to watch the video on that again. You didn't do those right. I've demonstrated in a bunch of these other videos as well. This leg's bevel, but that one's not. And also it looks like you have a leg right on top of another leg. Oh, I see. So you had just two here, so you've got this one. That's on top of that. That's why it looked like it wasn't. These are a bit uneven. Yeah, check the video for those feet. So just a lot of little things to fix here. That's all right.